It's 2-Minute Tuesday, and today I will show you 5 common backyard cooking myths you probably believed were true. Forget everything you thought you knew about grilling and smoking. There are many fables and tales and so-called secrets to backyard cooking that just aren't true. So let's get started. Many experts and professionals recommend to soak your wood chips for upwards of an hour. But let's think about this for a second. Wood floats. No matter how long you keep it, it still floats. This means that water was not absorbed by the wood. Soaking the wood has negative effects to the quality of the smoke, and depending on how much you put on the coals, it may even lower the temperature. If you're worried about your wood chips catching fire, then place your chips in a foil packet, poke a few holes in it, and set it over a coal or two, or better yet, use a smoke box. Marinades do not make your meat juicier, and they do not penetrate deep into the meat, no matter how long you wait. Meat is already packed full of water. There isn't a lot of room for anything more. As a result, the outside of the cut will absorb the flavors you've put together. Injections are the way to go if you are looking for flavors to be found deep inside the meat. A great smoke ring looks amazing, but it's not the part that tastes smoky. That's caused by flavor compounds penetrating the meat, and it does this throughout the cut. The smoke ring is caused by 2 gases, nitric oxide and carbon monoxide, in the smoke. So this is really a reaction of the meat with the gases in the smoke, not the actual smoke particles that impart the flavor. Therefore, the size of the smoke ring has no real bearing on the actual amount of smoke flavor you will get in your meat. You can even fake a smoke ring by using curing salts. Thick white smoke occurs when the wood just starts burning. Heavy black or gray smoke occurs when the fire is starved for oxygen. Both of these types of smoke may be okay in small doses over a very quick cook, but cooking over time will produce a bitter taste of the meat. The ideal smoke is often described as a thin blue smoke, and this is the byproduct of clean burning woods at the right temperature. It's no secret that undercooked chicken can be dangerous. Juice color isn't an indicator of when the bird is done. Instead, the only thing that matters is temperature. At 165 degrees is the point at which it's safe to eat. Use a meat thermometer, insert it into the thickest part of the chicken to check the color of the juices can remain pink long after the meat has reached a safe temperature. Well, there you have it. 5 common myths for backyard cooking totally busted. Show your appreciation by subscribing to my channel. Also, like and share this video with a friend. And since you're already there, go ahead and click that bell icon so you can get notified of any video updates. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite part of this video, and if you have any video suggestions, leave them there as well. If you have any myth you'd like to share, leave it in the comments below. If I like the myth, I'll feature it in an upcoming video. I'm Berlin Birch. I'll see you next time.